What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. Somebody asked for neon, so I felt like this would be the perfect look because it has all the neons in it. Yeah, so these are the vibes. I really love how everything came together. I'm going to be doing my eyes as well as my face makeup, but my face makeup I will be doing silently. But you guys can still see all the products that I use and me apply them, of course. Yeah. I feel cute, okay? I feel like a pastel queen today. So yeah, so if you're curious to see how I created this full face of makeup, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. So I already primed my eyelids. I'm just gonna kind of work out any creases here. And then my palette of choice today is going to be the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette. She looks like this. And I'm going to start by taking the shade Bewitched. I'm going to take some of these little e.l.f. eye tape thingies. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pack it down across the tape just in like a winged liner shape. And this brush is nice because it's a little bit fluffy, so I could kind of start to buff this out a little bit. It's just like a big fat wing like that. Dusting that brush off, I'm going to take the shade Signs, which is, oh no, this shade right here. It's upside down, so I first took Bewitched, now I'm going to take the shade Signs. I'm just going to start buffing this out a little bit. I feel like this look is going to be super simple because we're not cutting the crease or anything. We're just kind of laying colors down and blending them out. So, okay, so now I'm going to take the shade called 32 and I'm just going to take it on this fluffy Morphe brush. And I'm just going to blend this corner out. Then I'll take the shade right next to it, which is called Bubble Bath. A bubble bath. And I'll just go over that. Next, I'm going to take the hot pink called Chase. And I'm just going to take it on this Doll Beauty DB13 brush. And then wherever there's just the purple where there's not blue is where I'm going to blend this out. So I'm just going to lay my colors down like I always do, and then I'll go in and perfect them when I'm done. Okay, so for the next two colors, I'm going to be taking the Makeup and Murder Pastel Pigments in the neon orange and then the neon yellow. I'm going to take some of the green called Inside Joke. I'm just going to take it on this little tiny little detail brush. And I'm just going to kind of work it in this upper corner right here. I'll need to go back over this after I go in with the pastels, but I just want to kind of have a little bit of a line to know where to stop. Okay, so now I'm going to start by taking the peach color first. I'm just going to take it on a round fluffy brush. And I'm just going to go right next to the pink. Lay this color down. And then after I lay this next color down, then I'll go through them all again and really blend them together. So it's okay if it looks a little bit messy right now. Okay. Dusting that brush off, I'm going to use the same brush to go in with the pastel yellow. And then I'll put this right in between the green and the pink. Okay, so now that it kind of looks a little bit messy, I'll go in and blend all these colors together now. I think that looks really, really interesting. So I just recently got this palette from, it's called Unearthly Cosmetics, but this is before they rebranded, so it's Alien Cosmetics. This is their highlighting palette. She looks like this. Wrong remote, babe! Thanks. I want to take a little bit of this pink shade right here for my brow bone. There's a huge mirror in this palette too. Looks glossy. Okay. So I'm taking the shade Bewitched and I'm going to buff that right here in this corner. Then I'll take the shade Bubble Bath. I'll put that in this corner. I'm going to take this pastel yellow called Secrets. And I'm going to use that to buff a little bit of this blue out. Just in this inner corner. I'm just kind of laying colors down and hoping for the best at this point. And then I'll take a little bit of the pink called Chase. Just a very little bit right on the edge of this purple. And then I'll take the teal shade called 32. Try to do a little bit of this, but we see how my little bits do. I'm very heavy-handed. Shade Bubble Bath again. I used to have a teal liner that was the same color as this one. I'm going to take this Illuminati Electric Blue Gel Paint Liner. Take this. Then I'll take my the Balm Cosmetics Schwing Liner, and I'm going to do my little inner corner do. So here is the completed look. So for my lip combo, I went in with the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Sandstorm, and then the P. Louise Holla Gloss. Real cute. I really like that. I think everything came out really, really pretty. I feel like you can't really see too much of the details underneath my lashes, but it definitely all did come together really, really nicely. I love this highlighter. I definitely want to check out the other colors and see how those look, if they're going to be as glossy as like this one. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with how everything came out. Definitely stay tuned for the up close of my makeup to really see the detail and how everything came together fully blended. Yeah, but other than that, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.